sliding doors moment is upon us in travel. Either we get on or get off.
There's a generational leap in tech, with Gen AI blazing the trail, whose powers we have yet to fully comprehend. The next generation is about honoring this moment in travel's history, this split in dimension, when we have to move forward, guided by but unfettered by the past, to create an industry for future travelers, talent, and leaders.
It's about a mindset.
Are you ready to change yours?
To be the one to make a difference and the change we want to see. Let the show begin.